Hello, welcome to the session on pipe welding elbow joint on mild steel pipe of diameter 50 mm and 3 mm of wall thickness in 1G flat position. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to draw the development for elbow pipe joint. Prepare the pipes as per drawing. Set root gap and tack weld. Weld the elbow joint in flat position. Clean and inspect the weld defects. The materials required for pipe welding elbow joint are mild steel pipe of 50 mm into 3 mm, metal files, tri-square, dot punch, ball peen hammer, hacksaw, drawing sheet and drawing instruments. Here is the procedure for pipe welding elbow joint on mild steel pipe of diameter 50 mm and 3 mm wall thickness in 1G flat position. Develop the pipe surface drawing on the drawing sheet and keep the size to full scale. Remove the unwanted portion of the sheet other than the elbow profile. Roll the developed elbow in the drawing sheet around the pipe end. Now trace the elbow profile over the pipe surface by a marker or scriber and remove the drawing sheet from the pipe surface. By using dot punch and ball peen hammer, punch the curve path over the pipe surface and clamp it in the bench vise. Remove the unwanted part of the pipe using hacksaw. Then, file the burrs from the edges of the pipe after sawing out. Similarly, prepare the other pipe by following the same procedure. Thus, we have prepared the mating faces of the pipes. Now, the joint will be in the form of ellipse. Align the pipes in a horizontal flat surface for tacking. The root gap used in the joint is 1.6 mm. Set the gas cylinder pressure to 0.15 kg per centimeter square and set the flame as neutral. Use number 7 nozzle, CCMS filler rod of 3 mm diameter. Tack the 4 segments of the face. Weld the joints by manipulating the blowpipe and filler rod in one run using 3 mm diameter CCMS rod. The order of sequence of welding is 2 to 6, that is segment 1, 10 to 12, that is segment 3, 10 to 6, that is segment 2, and 2 to 0, that is segment 4. Ensure to maintain the keyhole and end the weld of each segment properly to get the root penetration. Clean the weldment area with wire brush and inspect it visually. Let's recap the key points discussed. For the pipe elbow joint, develop a pipe surface drawing on a drawing sheet and prepare 2 pipes to join at an angle of 90 degree. Using dot punch and ball peen hammer, punch the curve path over the pipe surfaces to prepare the mating faces of the pipes. Maintain the order of sequence of welding as segment 1, segment 3, segment 2 and segment 4 respectively. Clean the weldment area with wire brush and inspect it visually. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about the pipe welding elbow joint on mild steel pipe of diameter 50 mm and 3 mm of wall thickness in 1G flat position. See you in the next session.